Tower Manor apartment complex still sits empty after a methane gas leak was discovered back in May. Many residents have since moved out, but the fire department still makes regular stops to check the level of gas in the air, so eventually drilling can resume and a solution determined. The fire chief says the levels need to be below 5% to drill.
Right now we're still sitting at levels of about 64%.
According to the Department of Natural Resources, there is no telling when levels will reach a safe zone.
It's just a rare occurrence that we've actually had a leak that formed around an apartment complex, and like I said before, we're kind of writing the books on this one because we've never dealt with it before. And the safest thing that we've done, that we could do and we have done, is to remove the residents from the apartment complex.
This is not the first time the old mine has caused problems. According to the DNR, it opened in 1896 as the Oswald Mine. It was bought in 1913 by the Princeton Coal Company, which operated it until it closed in 1923. The mine still sits under a large chunk of Princeton, including what is now the new middle school.
The school corporation owns 230 acres of ground in the northern Princeton area, of which approximately 90 acres is over the old Princeton mine.
In approximately 2000, the school district cited issues with the building and worked to determine if it was a construction issue or mine subsidence.
Quite frankly, after lots of studies, it was a combination of both. We found some structural deficiencies, which we corrected, and we also found some indications that it might have some movement that's relevant to mine subsidence.
During that time, methane was found beneath the surface. Fast forward to 2007, the district was planning to build a new school and was looking for ways to use the methane as a source of income and as a learning tool for students as the Energy County of Southwest Indiana. The district drilled 2 holes for potential methane production. One was producing methane, the second was not. The question then became what to do with the water, because when you bring up methane, you bring up water too.
It could be a tremendous geothermal source because you have this 600-acre lake sitting down below you. So we sleeved, or we prepared the new high school building, that if the technology would ever come to feasibly use that mine water as a geothermal source, we could do so.
Until then, the idea is on the back burner, but the school board president says the community should work together to find a way to benefit from the mine.
Quite frankly, the mine's not going to go away. And so I think it's our responsibility to try to deal with it in the most positive way that we can.
As for conditions at Tower Manor, for now, it's a waiting game.
I like to have answers quick, and there's just no quick answers for this.